All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn in these additive, subtractive, and combination drawings. So first thing here in the directions, it says you're going to take a snip of your part using the following rules. You're going to be sure that what's called the Visions and History window is open, and you'll see an exemplar of a good snip here. Let me see if I can bring this in a little closer. Yeah, I can. This shows me who the originator is of the document. Okay. Now, there is going to be an isometric view of the part. That's what this is right here. So, students, you're going to do this document, and then you're going to send it to me electronically via the Google Classroom. Use Turn-In. And then the hybrid students, you're going to set this document up, and then you're going to print it at school and put your copy of it in the turn-in box. Make sure you write your name on it so that I know whose it is for sure. All right, so this is an exemplar of a good snip. Now, the first one that you need to put in is this additive part, and it says place the proper snip of the file here. So let's go to our files, and I'm going to go to my additive, and the first thing I want to do is I want to turn on the versions and history of this part. So that's this icon that's one to the right of the hamburger. It's kind of got its own little hamburger and such as that. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to move my whoops, clicked off of it accidentally. Okay, so I've got this rid of that stuff. There we go. Now we're good. Okay, so I've got my versions in history up here. I've got my part nice and visible on the screen. And the next thing is I need to take a snip or a screenshot of the part. Now, if I'm on a PC, like if you were at school and you're on one of the computers, I'm just going to go down to the search bar here. I'm going to type the word snip. And then I'm going to click on the snipping tool. And I'll say new. And now this is going to gray out. And I'll go up to the upper left corner, click hold, and come down to the lower right and release. Now, I'm going to go back to my document, and it says place the proper snip of the part here. So I'll go here and I'll just backspace or cover all that stuff up, and I'll do Control V, or you can use the paste tool to put this in. I'll do the same thing for the subtractive technique and also for the combination. So you'll have 3 snips on this one page. Now, if you are on a Chromebook, the process for activating the snipping tool is a little bit different, and that's what this is showing right here. This is showing a Chromebook keyboard. To do this, you're going to press the Control key, the Shift key, and what they call the window switch key, which is this one that's a square with 2 dashes or 2 lines beside it. Press all 3 of those at the same time. Now, when you saw my when I just did the snip on my PC, it went gray. You're going to have that same thing happen. Screen's going to gray out. Your cursor's going to change to a crosshair. You're going to start in the upper left or whatever corner you want. You're going to click and hold and down on the mouse button or touchpad, and you're going to go all the way down to the opposite corner and then release. And that is going to, on a Chromebook, at least mine that I own, it'll say in the lower right hand corner, it'll say copy to clipboard, and you want to hit copy or yes, whatever it says in that lower right hand dialog box. And then you can go to our turn-in document and paste in your snips of the 3 parts.